So, now that you have your cycle lights, I'm going to show you how they work. First, they're powered by 2 coin batteries, which you can find at Walmart, Radio Shack, or on our website. Next, they turn on and off slide switch on top. Now to install, you're going to take the end with the battery pack, slide it through an opening in the spokes, around the hub, and back through the same opening. Be sure to watch out for your battery pack and make sure it doesn't get stuck in between the spokes. Next, what we're going to do is zip tie the end of the tube to a spoke. After you do that, start by pressing your CycleLights against the rim all the way around. You can go as fast or as slow as you'd like. Usually if you go slower, it comes out a little bit better. All the way around, and if you need to, you can rotate the wheel. Now, when you come to this point, your cycle lights will overlap. There's 2 things you can do. You can trim your cycle lights by cutting them and then zip tying them together, or you can allow them to overlap and zip tie them that way. We're going to overlap them just to keep it easy. So overlap your cycle lights and then zip tie the 2 together. Next, we're going to attach our battery pack. There's 2 ways to do this. The first way is to attach it to the hub. The way you do that is you take your white zip tie, you put it through the slots on the back of the battery pack, and zip tie it that way. Or you can crisscross zip ties through the back of your battery pack and attach it to the crisscrosses on your spokes. That's what we'll do. So crisscross your zip ties through the back of your battery pack. You may want to wrap your battery pack around the spoke a few times just to take up some slack in the wire. Now, once you get to this point where your spokes cross, zip tie your cycle lights to your spokes on the inside of the rim. Then, with your handy dandy scissors, trim off the excess. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there you have it. Your cycle lights are installed, and you're ready to color the streets.